From the June 20th edition of Fox News Outnumbered, loading the player reg. Lisa Kennedy Montgomery, CO host. We've seen reports from some of these facilities, and they vary depending on the person's political background. How do you keep this many kids safe? Nicole Saphier, radiologist, outnumbered guest host. Well, that's the problem. Politically, I think doing the executive order right now is the smart thing for the president. Also shows compassion, as the judge said. However, I don't want it to take away from the greater picture here. Anytime governmental action comes under scrutiny, we have to think about what is actually going on. It's not a debate over children held in cages or in windowless rooms. They're missing the bigger debate, and that is our failing immigration system. That is what's helping perpetuate our opioid crisis, our MS-13 gangs, and our overutilized welfare services. Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst. How harmful to children, to babies, is it to have them forcibly separated from their parents? Saphier, well, so, we can talk about at the border. But also, don't forget, children are being taken away from their parents due to the increasing opioid epidemic as well. Our U.S. babies taken away as well as at the border. Napolitano, talk about these babies. Saphier, these children at the borders right now, it's hard to say what's going on there. Obviously there's a lot that I would assume is true, and some maybe that's overinflated just for the media purposes. However, long-term effects such as post-traumatic stress syndrome, anxiety, depression, we don't even know if they have health concerns. If the child is young, then we can't communicate with their parents to know if they do have medical concerns. Related, CBS News, pediatric doctor says separating families at border is a form of child abuse. MSNBC, separating migrant families will cause toxic stress with lasting effects. Previously, Fox ignores a report that the Trump administration is incarcerating babies in tender age shelters. On MSNBC, Jacob Sobreith describes visiting border prison where there are babies sitting by themselves in a cage with other babies. Fox's Trish Regan, Trump is showing asylum-seeking families tough love by taking children away from their parents. Myths and facts. Trump's separation of families and detention of children at the U.S.-Mexico border.